Hello everybody. Doing a 1-year review on this jack and on that generator. Both of them come from Harbor Freight. This jack is a warranty replacement for the one that failed. The one I had before this started leaking within a year. This jack, it's been doing real good. Leaking a little bit, but as long as it don't get any worse than that, it'll be okay. My snap-on jack is about 10 to 12 years old. The 2-ton, it don't leak at all. All right, I'm fixing to got a couple of new tires put on here. Done put some on the front. Got to do the back. Had this generator here. Somebody stole my Honda. I had a 900-watt Honda. So I went to Harbor Freight and got this because nobody had a Honda. Cranks on the first pull after you warm it up. This here is 7-inch grinder. I've had this thing forever. This is an old Milwaukee. That was a load on that generator there. I don't normally use it for that. I got a bigger generator if I need for that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how good it works. All right. Old jack doing good. That generator's doing good. I guess Harbor Freight ain't as bad as I thought it was. This fell off. Can't have nothing sometimes. Anyway, that'd be all right. All right. I gotta put some like I said, I gotta put new tires on this. I got 2 new ones for the back. Put them on the front there. Got to put new tires and shocks on this thing. This thing's got 307,000 miles on it. I've had these tires on here since 2024, May of 2024. Truck had 250,000 miles on it in 2024. Got 307,000 now. Oh, these old tires held up pretty good. I don't like them though. They make too much road noise. All right. I thought I'd make a quick video of the Harbor Freight generator and the jack. Both of them are doing good after a year's use. Hopefully they'll last another year. Talk to you later.